Oh boy. Good. Onye ọbụla na-bịa meeting ndị ama like video maka gịnị na ebidoro gwawa ha ka esi anara like ka ịgwa ha every procedure dị isi wee ruo before ị bịarute ebe a kamara na bụrụ all the time. Okay, so you guys saw it. So you're gonna knock it out and knock the other one in. If you have a hydraulic press, that's gonna be good, but if you don't have a hydraulic press, then you're gonna remove it manually. One yeah, I got your chisel. This is how it looks on the inside. This is a brand new one which I have, and this is how it fits. It goes in to stay, so the two of them make a couple, a very good couple, agreeable couple that will not separate no matter what. So this car has not, the owner has not been replaced before, so you see the two of them have to marry together like this. That is how it should be inside there. All right, so I would have recommended replacing this one, but it's still going not too bad. And why this one is not going to be a problem is that if you lose it, if you lose the bolt and lose this one, you can pull it out without removing this. But replacing this, you will need to drop this beam before you can be able to replace it. So the next thing we're going to be needing to do right now is we're going to lose out this sway bar. That's not to lose out these sway bars that's being held in place by, it seems like it's 13 or 15. So once we lose them, then we can be exposed to this. I was thinking it's metal before, but it's rubber. So we're gonna chisel this out before we can be able to replace it. Okay, have to destroy this one to let it out. Now it is easier for me to hit this one from up here, and it should go down. Now I suppose it's aluminum that I use, or iron, would have been very much harder to get in. Now for me, I did scratch this surface here, so I'll be needing to use sandpaper to clean this a little bit while trying to get the other one back to avoid making a mess with the new one. Have to really sand that place down and make sure no obstruction. So still need to use chisel and gently, not to scratch the surface again while doing so. I mean the internal diameter. Okay, it's out. Now I don't need to really sand this place, because if it is too smooth, it's gonna let it out when I have mounted it and probably be on the road. So now how do you install the new one? For this camera, come over. Okay guys, so my first method I'm gonna do is to first align it. There is a line where this thing comes. Make sure you don't do mistake there, because if you do mistake, it's gonna be hard to pull this thing out, right? So I'm gonna gently align it with that mark there. It's gonna be a little bit, let me see. Okay, the both of them are the same thing. Let me check this one. Okay. Oh shit. Let me check. Well, this guy has given me a terrible, hey, wahala. See me, see wahala. Okay, it's literally the same. But how come? Okay, there is a trick there. Now let me show you guys a trick. That's good. The two heads are not the same. You don't use this side. One side is sharp, one side is bent. So the side that is bent is where you're gonna be using. So this side is beveled. Now let me show you guys again. This side is beveled, this side is sharp. So this is the place that's gonna be hitting it from. And this is the place that I have to go in. So you might even apply some oil. So let me try it. This one here. It should go from here. But this is gonna be easier with vice press than hammer. Be careful. Okay, set it here, then gently. This is not gonna go very smooth. You have to Christ. Hey, America, flask driver. You know,